The smartphone landscape is on the brink of its most significant transformation yet, and at the center of this revolution stands the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max. For years, we have seen incremental upgrades, slight camera tweaks, and minor processor boosts. But 2026 marks a turning point where the boundary between a handheld device and a professional computing powerhouse completely dissolves. Apple's trajectory suggests that the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just another yearly release. It is the culmination of years of R&D in materials science, neural engine processing, and display technology that will render your current device obsolete the moment you see it in action. When we talk about the design language of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, we are moving away from the traditional slab aesthetic. Leaks and industry reports indicate a move toward a true edge-to-edge display that utilizes a new generation of microlens technology to achieve brightness levels never before seen on a mobile screen. Imagine stepping outside under the harsh glare of direct noon sunlight and seeing your screen with the same crispness and color accuracy as if you were in a dark studio. This isn't just about higher nits, it's about optical clarity. The chassis is rumored to be constructed from a new aerospace-grade composite that is not only lighter than titanium, but significantly more resilient to physical stress, ensuring that this premium investment remains pristine for years. Under the hood, the heart of this beast is the A20 Bionic chip. This processor is built on an advanced 2-nanometer architecture, a move that drastically improves thermal efficiency while delivering a staggering 40% jump in multi-core performance. What does this mean for the average user? It means complex 8K video rendering happens in the background without the device ever getting warm to the touch. It means that console-quality gaming experiences, which previously required dedicated hardware, are now running natively at frame rates that make console gamers jealous. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is essentially a pocket-sized supercomputer designed to handle the heavy lifting of generative AI tasks that are increasingly becoming a part of our daily digital workflow. Let's shift our focus to the camera system, arguably the most anticipated feature for creators and enthusiasts alike. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to introduce a variable aperture telephoto lens that changes the game for low-light portraiture and cinematic depth of field control. We're looking at a triple sensor array where every single lens is optimized for 60 frames per second at full resolution. The integration of advanced computational photography means that shutter lag is officially a thing of the past. Whether you're capturing the night sky or shooting high-speed action, the sensor reads data instantly, ensuring that the image you see in your viewfinder is exactly what is captured in the file. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of high-performance smartphones, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max addresses this with a radical shift in battery architecture. By utilizing a high-density solid-state battery, Apple has managed to increase capacity without increasing the physical footprint. This allows for true two-day usage, even with the most demanding tasks enabled. When you do need to top off, the new rapid charging protocol ensures that you can hit 80% charge in under 15 minutes. This changes how you interact with your device. You no longer have to worry about power management. You just use the tool, knowing it will keep up with your pace. The software experience will be defined by an even deeper integration with iOS 20. The operating system is rumored to leverage the increased neural engine performance to provide proactive assistance, predicting what you need before you reach for the app. The home screen interface is evolving into a more fluid, interactive environment where widgets are not just shortcuts, but live, functional portals to your data. Privacy remains the bedrock of this experience, with on-device processing ensuring that your personal data stays yours, never touching a cloud server unless explicitly authorized. Security is also seeing a major upgrade with an under-display biometric array that combines advanced facial recognition with a new, wider-area ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. You now have the flexibility of choosing your preferred method of authentication without compromise. Sync speed or safety. This dual-layer approach provides a level of protection that is currently unmatched in the industry, making the iPhone 18 Pro Max the most secure personal device ever produced. Furthermore, the connectivity suite is being pushed to the limit. With support for the latest iteration of satellite link communication and global 6G-ready modems, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is designed to keep you connected in the most remote corners of the world. Whether you're trekking in the mountains or working in an urban high-rise, signal reliability is no longer an issue. This device is built for the global traveler, the digital nomad, and the power user who cannot afford to be offline for even a second. As we look at the competition, it becomes clear why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is positioned as a market leader. Other manufacturers may offer higher specifications on paper, but Apple's ecosystem synergy, where your watch, phone, laptop, and tablet work as a single, unified organism, is where the real value lies. The iPhone 18 Pro Max acts as the central hub for this entire digital life. It synchronizes seamlessly, sharing processing tasks across devices and ensuring that your transition from mobile work to desktop productivity is instant and invisible. We are witnessing the end of the traditional smartphone cycle. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just a phone. It is a statement of intent. It is a device that recognizes that the modern user is a creator, a communicator, and a manager of their own digital world. Every component, from the glass protecting the display to the silicon driving the performance, has been scrutinized and refined to provide an experience that feels less like technology and more like an extension of your own capability. If you have been waiting for a reason to upgrade, this is it. The innovations packed into the iPhone 18 Pro Max are not merely features. They're solutions to the limitations that have held back mobile computing for a decade. With its superior build quality, unmatched processing power, and the most capable camera system ever put into a handheld device, it sets the gold standard for what a smartphone should be in 2026 and beyond. This is the future of personal technology, and it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand.